Hello friends, I am Deepajan and welcome to Swastik Coaching Center. Today we are discussing about the triangles. First of all, what is triangle? We can get a triangle by joining three non-collinear points. Here what is the meaning of non-collinear? Means the points that are not on the same line. See here, there are 3 points, 1, 2, 3, but that are not on same line. There are 3 points, 1, 2, 3, but not on the same line. Or we can see a triangle is formed with 3 edges and 3 vertices. See here, 3 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 edges means sides. One side, second side, third side. First side, second side, third side. First side, second side, third side. First side, second side, third side. And it is dominated by this shape. This shape is not a shape of triangle. See, the shape of triangle can be of different type. It is also a triangle. 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 But it is dominated by only this shape. For example, here is a triangle which contains point A, B, C. In this triangle, A, B, C are vertices and AB, AC and BC are the edges. Now, we are discussing about types of triangle. We can describe the triangle on the basis of its sides and on the basis of angle. First one, we are discussing about type of triangle on the basis of side. First type is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all sides are equal. See in this diagram of triangle, here are 3 sides. This is first side, this is second side, and this is third side. All 3 sides are equal. So it is known as equilateral triangle. The second type is isosceles triangle. A triangle in which 2 sides are equal. See here, there is a triangle PQR. PQR are the vertices, PQ, PR and QR is the edges. Here the length of PQ is 5 cm, length of PR is 5 cm, length of QR is 6 cm. Here length of PQ and PR are equal. Here 2 sides are equal, so it is known as isosceles triangle. The third type is skeleton triangle. A triangle in which all sides are different. See here, yeah, 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. The length of first side is 2 cm, length of second side is 4 cm, length of third side is 5 cm. We can also give the name of sides. Here A, B, C are not vertices. We give name of side. Equal to 4 cm means the length of this side is 4 cm. Length of this side B, we give the name of this edge is B, which is equal to 5 cm. The name of third edge is C and its length is 2 cm. Because all these sides are different, so it is skeleton triangle. Now we can also divide the triangle on the basis of angle. First type is acute angle triangle, in which all angles are less than 99. See here, first angle is 59 degree, it is less than 90 degree. Second angle is 55 degree, it is also less than 90 degree. Third angle is 66 degree. It is also less than 90 degree. Because all the angles are less than 90 degree, so it is acute angle triangle. Second one is obtuse angle triangle. A triangle in which one angle greater than 90 degree. See here, in triangle DEF, here angle E is greater than 90 degree, so it is obtuse angle triangle. Third one is right angle triangle. A triangle in which one angle is equal to 90 degree. See here, this angle is equal to 90 degree. That means it is right angle. So it is known as right angle triangle. Let's take a quick revision. Here, all three sides are equal. See here, first side, second side, third side. The length of three sides are equal, so it is equilateral triangle. Here, one angle is equal to 90 degree, so it is right angle triangle. In this, two sides are equal. The length of two sides are equal, so it is isosceles triangle. Here, all the three sides are of different length, so it is skeleton triangle. Here, all the three angle of triangle is less than 90 degrees, so acute angle triangle. Here, one angle is greater than 90 degree, so it is obtuse angle triangle. I hope I clear your concept about the triangle and its type. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.